All right, welcome back to episode 3 of the Knowledge Drop. Previously, we did garlic and Allison, as well as ginger root tea. Now we're moving on to the Buckeye Power Routine. So, to increase your bench press, this is a genius method that I actually found back in high school because of my brother's football team. And I think they got it from the Ohio State Buckeyes. But I kept it that long to release it to y'all for the knowledge drop. Let's just look at a bench press example where it says 190. You would do 130 pounds 8 times. And look where it says upper. Upper means bench. Back to the 190 column, you do 138 times, then you rest a little bit, 146 times, then 144 times, then 153 times, then 162 times, then 171 time, and then finally 144 times. As you can see, the whole sheet does the same exact thing. If you can do all that we just went through, that means after you've completely rested, a whole new day, or even wait a couple days, when you do your max bench, you'd be able to do 190. So total, there's about 28 if you add up the 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. But I believe this sheet to be golden. You can see exactly where you're going. You can see the path you need. You can see the breakdown of what you need to do. You also grow. You get stronger faster. I'm gonna put a direct download of the sheet as well, if you look in the description of this video. And the last column is a 0. Sorry that got cut off, but as you can see, all of these numbers end with 0, so that final column, you'll just add a 0. Basically, it'll be the 180 max, 310 max, 440 max, and then 570 max. That's just all the way to the right of this sheet. So let's look at the very top of the sheet. If your max bench press is 50, you'd be able to do 28 times, then 26, then 34, then 33, then 42 times, then 41 times, then 34 times. So just wanted to break down just one more example for how this sheet actually works. The lower part is probably leg press. I'm not even going to touch on that. This is just a super amazing way to, first of all, get stronger. And then if you're professional, of course, for power lifters, this is crucial too. I myself, I'm not a bodybuilder at all. This is just part of the knowledge drop because I just know that it's crucial. And last but not least, like all other times, you need a spotter. But for this, extra crucial. You gotta power through those final sets. Definitely need a spotter to make it hard. If you don't have a spotter, this will not work.